You are using 5, 10, maybe even 20 different AI tools right now.
You explain the same thing over and over again. Your workflow is a complete disaster. And I'm going to show you how to fix it right now. Your workflow isn't broken because of AI. It's broken because of your setup.
What if I tell you that solution is as simple as it can be? Instead of doing the same task again and again, just build a simple prompt library or design a custom GPT. That's it. Let's talk about what they imply. First, the portable prompt library. It works with literally any tool. It gives consistency and flexibility across different platforms. It's just your best prompts saved. You need something done, you grab the right tool. It's portable. It's future-proof. Just remember, you are the brain. The library is simply the script. This is perfect for generalists and teams. The downside, you're still doing the prep. It has zero memory. Let me share a few examples. Module 1, the research stack, provides consistent market depth across any tool. Module 2, the content architect, codifies your brand voice for rapid LinkedIn and video production. Module 3, Family Vision, facilitates long-term goals with structured logic, while Module 4, the Investor Blueprint, gives you the universal source code for any pitch. Your prompts aren't questions, they are your operating system. Second, the Custom GPT. Think of this as your digital double. Unlike the library where you bring the script, here you've already hired the expert. It's your specific knowledge, your unique brand voice, and your proprietary data all baked in. You don't explain who you are every time. It already knows. It's the shift from prompting to delegating. This is perfect for deep specialists and solo operators who need a dedicated assistant for recurring complex tasks. The downside? You're locked in. It lives inside one ecosystem. If the platform goes down or you want to switch tools, your expert stays behind. It has deep memory, but narrow walls. Let me share a few examples. The LinkedIn specialist turns raw ideas into high-engagement carousels by codifying your unique brand voice. Next, the market researcher uses interchangeable compilers like Perplexity and Notebook LM to synthesize deep competitor gaps with 360-degree accuracy. Finally, the startup architect uses universal investor logic to build 80% of a pitch deck in minutes. Stop querying. Start archiving your intellectual assets. Remember, in order to optimize AI workflows, balance prompt libraries and custom GPTs to eliminate decision fatigue and increase efficiency. The fundamental difference between the two tools is their primary function. Prompt libraries have flexibility. They are best for users who switch between multiple platforms or perform tasks occasionally. Custom GPTs are best for frequent, complex, and context-heavy tasks that require the AI to remember specific brand voices, files, or reporting metrics. To decide which tool to use, apply these 3 diagnostic tests. First, the platform test. Do you need to use multiple AI platforms? If yes, use a library. Second, the context test. Does the task require persistent knowledge or uploaded files? If yes, use a custom GPT. And third, the frequency test. Is the task performed daily or weekly? If yes, use a custom GPT. If it is monthly, stick to a library. Key focus is to avoid over-engineering. Do not build a custom GPT for every task. Start with a library to identify what actually works. Follow the 20+ rule. Only convert a manual prompt into a custom GPT after you have used it successfully 20+ times and the prompt has stabilized. Recommended is the hybrid approach.
At Operators Lab HQ, strive to help you make your business better. For more advanced workflows and strategic guides, follow our channel.